Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful 6-pointed star. It takes no glue and just fits together like a puzzle. I used upcycled sheet music. You could use book pages, you could use magazine pages or cardstock. It's totally up to you. If you'd like, comment below on what your favorite paper would be to use for this star. So let's get started with this project. To make this beautiful star, you're going to need to make 16 points. So let's get started. The first step is you're going to need 16 squares made out of whatever paper you choose. I'm using upcycled music paper. You could use book pages, dictionary pages, magazines, cardstock, really anything you'd like. So the first step you're going to do is go ahead and fold a triangle. You're then going to fold into the halfway point. This side goes this way, and then you're going to turn it around and go from the other side up. Then you're going to fold this right here into the center. Being really careful to make sure your points are nice and crisp. So just like so. Then you're going to flip this around. And then you're going to fold down here so that you're to the point down here and to the point on the far right. And then fold this little extra piece over. And then you're going to flip that around and then open it up like so. And I'm going to go ahead and make another one, and I'll show you how you start connecting. The nice thing about the connecting is it doesn't take any glue at all. It all just fits really nicely like a big puzzle. So again, fold the triangle, fold into that middle area, flip it around, fold to the middle area again, fold the right corner over. Again, being real careful to make sure those points are perfect. Flip it around, and you're going to fold from here to here on a diagonal, like so. Take this little piece, that goes up as well. Flip it around and open up that piece. Now for the connecting part. You're going to take this one and it goes inside this little pocket right here. Now this piece from behind gets tucked in behind like that. And that is what keeps it together like so. And as you can see now, this one is going to be the receiving end. So I'll show you once more. And then, again, goes into that pocket, like so. And then you're going to take the back here and tuck it in. And that is your first 3 points. So you're going to make 16 points and go around.